Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Prima Advanced User Forum. This is Tyler of Prima Software. I'll be the host today, and we'll be covering our new enhancement portal. Someone will be available in the chat to answer any questions as I share what's on the screen, and you can access the chat at the bottom of the window. After I cover the content for today, we'll unmute everyone for questions. So anyone that has had Prima for a while will not have seen this customer portal. This is for our new customers to sign their contracts, do business reviews, and the initial database setup. And the enhancement portal is also part of this customer portal. So once we log in here, you can see on the left, we've got a tab for the enhancement portal. If we go ahead and click into here, this first page here is just going to be a welcome, how it works, and instructions on how to use the portal. And the only way for you to actually get this to show back up is to click on the enhancement portal here on the left. Once you click onto these tabs, it kind of disappears. But in this portal, you'll be able to create enhancement requests. You can view community requests, and this includes voting and adding comments. And you can invite staff members so that they can log in to vote on these enhancements. I should mention only the users for each company, or the main users, will be able to log a request. And this is to avoid duplicates and to make sure that your requests reflect the priorities of your company. So in the first tab here, we have community requests. You can see we've got a couple of examples here already. If you click the title of any of these, you can see the more detailed info about them. Got some tabs here at the top. Dev spec, this is any Prima staff comments. You can view any attachments that have been added, such as screenshots, and you can add your own comments here as well. Back on this screen, you can vote and add favorites. We've got the thumbs up and the star for favorites. Likes are unlimited, but you can only mark 3 enhancements as favorites. And the likes are going to be 1 vote. If you favorite something, that's 3 votes. Once a request has votes against it, you cannot change the text in the main info field, but you can add comments or delete it. And this list is going to be ranked based on points each month. Oh, sorry, let me see if I can mute everyone. Hearing some music. There we go. Sorry about that. And this list will be ranked each month. And our team will review and update these with new statuses, which we have a filter here for. This next section or tab, this will be our upcoming advanced user forums. There's nothing here now, but I think we'll have a link here so that you can get into the forum. Also, if you happen to miss any of our forums, you can always go into the social tab here and link to our media accounts. The forums will be posted on YouTube, usually the same day that they're recorded. And you can also sign up for our newsletter to get updates on monthly tips, release notes, and events. We go back to the enhancement portal. This next tab here will allow us to add users. So once you put in a name and an email, they'll be emailed with a invite link to join. And once they have access, they'll only be able to see the community request tab. I actually have a user pulled up here. So this is all they'll be able to see, the forums and the community requests, so that they can come in here and vote, and then the social tab as well. And the last tab here, manage my requests. This is going to be where admin users can go to add new requests and manage them. As you can see, all requests will be anonymous, and please add as much detail as possible. And then we've got this lovely blue button here, add request. In the pop-up, you'll be able to select an area of Prima that you want to put in a request for. And then you'll need to fill in the title and put as much detailed info as possible. Each company will be able to add up to 5 requests. Right now, I think it'll only let you add 1, but we'll have that increased here shortly. I should mention, if you've already logged an enhancement request and It's in Fresh Desk. To access those, you can go straight from Prima. If you click this question mark in the top right corner, it will take you to this screen here. And all of our articles are found here. You can use the search to find key terms or frequently asked questions. Everything else is also here below, separated by module. And we also have our release notes on here, including the ones from last week. There's a button at the top right where you can view your tickets. And we suggest having your admin user go through your current requests that are here in My Tickets and pick out the top 5 to place on the portal. And then once they're on the portal, you and other users will be able to vote on them and view community requests. Go back to this screen. This is actually a test company, so you won't have these upper tabs here. This company is not actually a customer yet. But I should mention you will have the Install Prima tab. And for those who have not seen the portal before, this might come in handy with new users, or if you get a new machine and you'd like to install Prima, this is a fast way to do it without having to call support. And then after the forum today, or by the end of today, I should say, the main contact at each of your companies will get a link to join the portal, and then you'll be able to log in and add other users. And that's a brief overview of the customer enhancement portal. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll now open the floor for questions.